News trading strategies for Forex. Use economic events to boost your profits. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever wondered how to capitalize on economic events to enhance your Forex trading profits, this video is perfect for you. News trading is a powerful strategy that allows traders to take advantage of market volatility caused by economic announcements. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, learning to trade the news can significantly improve your results. Why trade Forex news? Forex markets are highly sensitive to economic events such as interest rate decisions, non-farm payroll reports, and inflation data. These events can create significant price movements in a short period, offering traders the opportunity to profit. However, trading the news also comes with risks, which is why understanding proper strategies is essential. Here's what you'll learn in this video. Key economic events to watch. We'll cover the most impactful news releases and how they affect currency pairs. Preparing for volatility. Learn how to analyze economic calendars and position yourself ahead of major announcements. Best strategies for news trading. From breakout trading to fading the spike, we'll explore actionable approaches you can use. Risk management during high volatility. Discover tips to protect your account from sudden price swings and slippage. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for using economic events to identify profitable trading opportunities while managing risks effectively. Are you ready to take your Forex trading to the next level? The first step is opening an account with a reliable and trusted Forex broker that offers fast execution, tight spreads, and a user-friendly platform. Check out the link in the description or pinned comment to register with one of the top brokers in the market. A good broker ensures you're well equipped to trade during volatile market conditions and execute your strategies with confidence. Let's build a strong Forex trading community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to checkmark like the video to show your support. Checkmark subscribe to the channel for more Forex strategies, tips, and insights. Checkmark share this video with friends who want to learn how to trade news effectively. Got questions or need help? Drop a comment below. I'll be happy to answer your questions and share additional tips. Let's connect and grow as traders together. Don't miss out on trading opportunities during major news events. Open your account today using the link below and start leveraging economic events for profit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay informed, trade smart, and let the news work in your favor.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.